If we destroy nature, we destroy ourselves. This planet is our only home. If we burn its forests, poison its waters, the earth cries, and so must we act. No more waiting, no more excuses.
If we don't protect nature today, tomorrow won't protect us.
Every tree saved is breath for tomorrow. Every drop shared is life for a village. We may speak different tongues, but we all grow from the same soil. To the youth, plant the change you dream of. War destroys, peace heals. Protect nature. If you believe in this message, like this video and subscribe to join the movement.
Protect us.